my channel. It's Denise here, and today we are putting on eyelashes. As you guys can see, I know it can be tough when you don't have many eyelashes and you want your eyelashes to be longer. What are we gonna do? I really don't have any lashes, guys. So we are about to use my Allure Vegas Nay Mink Effect lashes. I can get these from Ulta. I love these lashes. They are super cute. They also have a nice Allure glue that I think works the best when you're applying lashes. You need a liner, or you can use this Kat Von D liner that I have. I got this from Sephora, I believe, a long time ago. So because I'm not putting on any eyeshadow, I'm only going to apply a thin line halfway through my eye. I'm not drawing this line all the way out. Although if you would like to, you really can, but it really helps to just get it right above the lash line. Here are my beautiful lashes. I cut them at an angle just because they're easier to put on my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and start by lining the eyelashes where you see my lines. You don't want them to be all the way in the corner of your eye because they just won't look natural. And you apply them once the glue is super tacky, which means that the glue is not running. You just apply them where I had those lines. Super easy. Now, at first it can be really hard. It was hard for me in the beginning, but practice makes perfect. And if the glue is really tacky, guys, it really just sticks and you just kind of have to replace them as you like, push them into your lash line. You want them to be close to the lash line as possible, but not on your eyelashes. And voila, these bad boys are literally growing out of my eye. I then take mascara. This is my favorite MAC waterproof mascara. And you're gonna just blend your eyelashes, the ones that you have or the ones you don't have, with the false eyelashes. So you're just gonna blend up, blend up, blend up, and you really want to get into that corner where you really didn't apply the lash, but it just helps it look more defined and even and blend out. And guys, it's that simple. Like, look at this lash. And sometimes you might need to adjust it just to your liking, but guys, that's it. Let's put this other eyelash on and woohoo, who are you? Girl, these lashes look good. It looks like I have eyelash extensions. Like, who doesn't have eyelashes? They look so natural. Like, it looks like it's coming out of my eye. I mean, I know you guys agree. It honestly took me forever until I was able to finally learn how to put my lashes on. So I hope this video is really helpful. It looks super natural, super easy. And if you guys decide that you want to put on mascara or if you want a wing line, you definitely have the liberty and freedom to do that with this technique. It's important to make sure that you have that eyeliner on your eye because it really helps for everything to look even and blended and black. Just like it would be if it was your natural lashes and mascara. So I hope this video was very helpful, very easy, very detailed. If you guys liked it, please make sure you comment, subscribe. So I know you're looking for the question for this video, but there is no question. If you made it this far and watched this video, put your favorite emoji in the comment box down below. I want to see it. See you guys next time. Bye.